Okay people, so this is the final look. I have just plated. Hello everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Welcome to Chandni's Kitchen. Yes, welcome to my channel Super Kitchen. And today I will make a quite common dish but in a little bit different way. But then not much different. So it's a fusion dish because I'm going to use fish. Yes, so the fish that you can see, this fish is not common in our country, Bangladesh, but it's quite common in Russia. But you can use any fish of this similar size. And this fish is already marinated from before. So when we buy it from the shop, it's already marinated from there. So we don't need to marinate it again. But I cleaned up and washed it. So it has a little bit of tangy flavor in it because it's marinated with some kind of herbs and lemon. So that's why I have just washed it and kept it like this. Now moving on to the simple stuff that I'm going to use. Yeah, not much fancy stuff. So onion. Now quickly I will chop up the onion. Yep. So fish is quite common dish in our country and people loves to eat fish. So they just love fish. That's why we have this tag as Bangladeshis, that Mache Bhate Bangali. So that's the tag we have. So yeah. Now I'm going to finely chop the onions because it's very important to chop the onions finely, or else while you cook they're going to be uncaramelized. So it's very important to caramelize the onion so that you can get all the flavor out of it. Okay, so here you go. So I'm going to use this much amount of onion and I will save the rest a little bit because I want to use some fried onion to garnish my fish curry later on. So it's not fish curry actually, so it's a thick fish curry, not a runny one. Yeah, it's a thick fish curry. So I will just chop up the onion like this because I want to fry the onion and garnish later on. But now see, it's very important that in any fish curry or any fish dish that you make, fish dish, oh wow, that's such a great alliteration. So I'm an English language teacher as well, so I might use weird terms. So yeah, this use of dhoniya pata that we say in Bangladesh, this one. So use of this sort of herb is really important when you cook fish curry, or else the fish won't taste perfect. No, that's what I say. Oh my god, because of cutting the onion I'm having tears in my eye. So just chop the tomato. Yeah, it's so simple. It's as simple as that. Now finely chop the onions and finely chop the tomatoes as well. But I won't finely chop the tomatoes like the way I did onions, but I would finely chop in a sense that, you know, cut it in a row. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to make my magical spices, which I have shown you in my last few videos, but then today I'm going to show you how I do it. So I believe if you just mix up all the elements that you're going to put in your dish beforehand, it will save you a lot of time. So I have used less than 1 teaspoon of pepper. So pepper is quite common to use if you consider any Asian. So I will use also turmeric. Yes, so turmeric, and is the coriander powder that I'm going to use. Yeah, not much, because see, the spices would eventually increase once you put in one by one all of them. Yeah, so I'm not using the blended ginger or like garlic. I'm using the garlic powder. So here's the packet. I'm using the garlic powder, and also I will be using garlic salt and also ginger powder. So you don't have to do all those hassle of, you know, blending in the garlic and ginger and stuff. Oh. So here it is. I'm going to use this much only because I believe that there is a little bit of sugar, salt added. Now I'm using half teaspoon of ginger, because the amount of fish is not much, so it's really important that you don't put in too much of spice. That will give you some acidity. Here is the mixture. See how it looks, my magical spice. When I'll put it in the fish is going to get all the magical love. Yep. So yeah, this is it, people. This preparation: onion, tomato, and herb, and chili, and the magic powder, and yes, the fish. So first I will pan fry the fish a little bit, and then afterwards I'll keep on adding them, and I will take you there in a minute. Okay viewers, so I have added some mustard oil, and now I will put in my fishes out. So yep. Okay people, so I have put in all the fishes in the mustard oil, which is fiercely hot, and yeah. So I will fry it a little bit, and then slowly add all those spices. Okay people, so it's really important that you put up the spices slowly. Not put all of them, keep some of them, but slowly put them. And turn by turn, so that, you know, the flavor will reach in every single bite. Okay. Okay, so I have put in the onions and tomato, and twist, toss and turn, twist, toss and turn. Now let me tell you one important thing, that is the smell that is coming. I'm not being able to show it to you through this video, but the smell is superb. It's amazing people. You need to try this fish. And if the fish is not marinated from beforehand, then please do marinate it for at least 1 day, and try to cook it with marinated fish, then you will get the real taste. Okay, so viewers, I have put in all the spices and everything, and I am kind of frying it really well, so that everything caramelizes and blends and mix really well. So do not hurry up this process. Be patient and fry it up really well and caramelize all the spices and every element that you have put in. Tomato, onion, and everything. Stay tuned, people. Now you can see all the spices are fried up evenly, and I'm pouring in water. Yes. So pour in enough water. And if you think you have poured in much water, then no problem. So if you put more water, then just high up the flame, or raise the flame of your stove, and then eventually all the water will be evaporated in no time. Yep. So then I'm just going to take, oh, look at the greenery. Yup, it's beautiful. So I'm not going to do anything else I'll just use a lid and put it to steam. So it's cooking. And see how beautiful the color turned out. And you can imagine how yummy it's going to be. You can serve it with white rice or maybe tortilla. It's up to you. Okay people, so this is the final look. I have just plated it and I didn't want to show you the plating. So you know how it looked. So I have reduced all the excess water and it's a thick curry. And I have put in the caramelized onion that I have promised at the beginning of my video. And also I did something sneaky that I have also put in a little chunk of garlic so that you know that garlicky smell comes in the nose. And it's so yummy people, so yummy. You should try it at home. Please let me know in the comment section below that how it tasted when you made it with a marinated sardine or any marinated medium-sized fish. Yeah. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned to my channel because every day I will be bringing up fusion combination cooking dishes only created by Chandni. Thank you so much.